You ready? You ready for Great Wolf? Let's go. Not at all.
You okay with it?
I'm fine with it. That's perfect.
Good.
Hello everybody, we are back at Great Wolf Lodge in Mason, Ohio. I am here with Grayson and Kylie. There's Grayson, he's having some McDonald's. And Kylie is over here, she's not too sure what's going on. You wanna take your shoes off? But anyway, we are gonna settle into the room and then we are going to go down to the water park. We're only here for one night. We're doing this, it's like my version of taking my grandbabies trick-or-treating since they actually go with their parents. So this is kind of like grandma's trick-or-treat fun. We're gonna play at the water park and then at a specific time they do like a little indoor trick-or-treating. It's like 3 or 4 little locations where they can bring their little bags and get candy. So we're gonna do that next, well, after the water park. But we're gonna get settled in and we will see you guys down at the water park. You want your cupcakes? What are they? Can I see? Ooh, the Nightmare Before Christmas.
The Captain and Sally and I want and the Oogie Boogie and again it's Sally.
Which one do you want?
I want the Oogie Boogie.
Kai Kai, do you want Oogie Boogie or Sally? What do you think we should give Kai Kai?
Don't try.
Let's get them.
Don't drink it. Yucky. Yucky. What you doing? Find you a ball.
That's good, man. Yeah. Alright. Yay! Alright! Is that fun, buddy? Yeah, man. Yeah! Oh! Holy cow! God! Good job! Hey! You did good waiting. Yeah, man.
Area to the slides is super slippery. Careful, Kai Kai, go slow. So I suggest wearing water shoes. I have some for Kylie, but she would not wear them, unfortunately.
Hey, Stitch. Okay, so we left the water park to trick or treat. It is really cold and this hallway's like really long. And the kids are very slow. So I thought it would be really cool to be all the way on the end. I was kind of happy with this room. But now I'm regretting it because we're so far from the water park. And I just remembered we got to go up the elevator too to another floor. Yay! Yeah, good stuff.
Need a trick or treat.
It's a banana wagon.
You got your bananas, minions? You ready to trick or treat?
Ready?
You even have a banana? That's funny. What color do you want? All right. You see, if I had laughing cows like I did the other day, be careful. You got to get that little thing. You got to get behind them. Over here. Be careful. What color do you want? Pink? There you go. Oh, I got Rory for Halloween. All right, what color do you want? Who was it? You don't want candy? Want candy? What color? Purple? There you go. Happy Halloween.
You're a minion, I love it! Do you know which minion you are? You don't know? My guess is for Kevin. I love Kevin, he's my favorite. Have a good night,
You too, thank you. Hey, Sheila. Good job, Kylie.
Kylie. Hi.
Yeah, Halloween.
Yeah. I got some work that needs done. I need a couple minions.
Is there more trick-or-treating to do? Is there another one down here? Let's go find it.
This way, right? Right here. Go get some candy.
Ooh.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Yay.
I think we did them all. So Kylie and I are going to get our pizza. Grayson and Grandpa are back down at the water park. They weren't quite done yet. I think it's a little too cold down there. I know they say it's heated, but not warm enough for me. So we're gonna hang out in the room, eat pizza, and wait for the Monster Jam dance party, which is at 9 o'clock, I think. Does that sound good? Wanna go get some pizza? You wanna get pizza? Yum.
Down there with.
Our pizza looks pretty good for $21. Not bad. A little bit crispier than I would like, but hey, we're not complaining, right, girl?
Tim, what do you have going on over here? What is this?
Thank you.
He's got a tent inside Great Wolf Lodge. This kid is so spoiled.
Going to the Monster Mash dance party in the arcade. Grayson's always way up ahead, and we're always lagging behind. It's this way, guys. It's this way. You ready?
Dance party.
Almost time. Are you ready for the dance party? You ready? There's Grandpa. Come on, bye-bye.
Hey, they only do this here.
Credit card, yeah.
This is where you will be.
Just some Reese Pieces in there. Yummy.
That, of course, we're not going to have a campfire inside the tent, but we're limited on space, right? So we have to cook in the tent. Get to roast our marshmallows right here, right? He doesn't care. He's so caught up with the new Switch.
Watch it.
What? Oh, yeah, you're whistling for your horse.
It looks very cozy in there.
His horse is named Hoof Hearted.
That's funny.
Anyway.
Don't give me.
All right. So Grayson cannot really play this game. So I'm just going to get his wand, put in demo mode. That way he can just point his wand at the little things over here, and they'll light up and they'll interact with his wand. That's all we really need. And that's free to do. All right. So Grayson had to get an entirely new wand for free because his wand, the batteries were all crusty, and we had to replace the entire wand and wand topper and everything, man. They gave it to us for free. Let's go try out the demo mode. Go point it at the things. They call it, demo mode is called Mini Magi, they said. Try it out.
Yeah, wait. I'm
At it, go. Whoa.
See that?
I saw that. It's so cool.
See that?
Try out the crystal.
I already completed this. The armor
Keep
is
going.
down there. No, but I'm
Yeah,
just
go that way.
that one.
It's really cool that they did that
But I
for
got
him.
you some.
So we're not actually on the MagiQuest because Grayson is too little to really understand that.
Look,
Wow, man.
that's right.
So we are just doing the mini Magi quest.
Try that.
Look, see? That's neat. Point it at that book. He's loving this. It's a good time. There you go. Yeah. gift shop down there. Hey, buddy. No. You point it and hold it. Yeah. Like this. Let me show you. Let me see your wand. Watch this, watch. That one doesn't work.
Magi must complete his tasks in the proper order.
The test not allowed yet. Yeah, go for it. Did it work? We gotta find something else. This is really cool. This keeps kids busy. Oh, that's neat. Look at that map. Ooh, that was cool. It's interactive.
You have found 50 gold hidden in my book.
Did you hear that? Wow. That's so cool.
You have found 50 gold hidden in my book.
See if that works. Nope, she's sleeping. What about that telescope over there on the wall? Ooh, that is so cool. They have it in the ceiling. That's neat. Hey, try that log. Keep trying. Nope, won't open for you. Let's go. Oh, that's cool. Come in this way. Hey, right here. Try that thing. No dice, huh? Come on. All right, go. That's neat. This is really cool. So, the MagiQuest in Great Wolf Lodge is awesome.
Good morning. Well, that was our trip to Great Wolf Lodge. Like I said, we just stayed one night. We had a really good time. We trick-or-treated, we played the water park, we had pizza, we had some arcade time. I do recommend coming here. It was pretty crowded though. I mean, especially for a weekday, I was very surprised by that. As you could probably see from the Monster Mash dance party, there was really no space for Kylie to get down and dance, and she was very anxious and nervous about it, so we didn't hang out there too much. And then as also you could probably tell from our footage in the water park, she's kind of a cautious girl, so she's not really into the water slides like Grayson is, but I think she'll get there as she gets older. But I did want to mention that they do charge $100 for incidentals now. Now that will be refunded once we check out, but it will probably take 2 to 3 days for it to be issued back to our debit card. But just wanted to make you aware of that, because that is a new charge along with the $30 for parking. So it is getting a little bit more pricier, but I guess that's inflation for you. But thanks for coming with us on this adventure, and stay tuned for our Orlando adventure that's coming up in just a few weeks. We're very excited about that. And if you like these videos, please remember to like, subscribe, and leave comments down below, and we'll see you next time. Bye. You ready to leave? Yep, it's time to go. We're sad. Say bye, Great Wolf Lodge. Bye.